Hi, this is Nicole, aka Mandura Mama 5, coming to you today. Labor Day weekend here with Pat Clunan, and my website is myliquidmoney.com. We are featuring Mandura today, a phenomenal opportunity that has kind of set the pace for the field. We have a ton of people looking at this business, and here's why. There is so much to it that Pat's going to go through right now. But Pat has had massive experience, massive results. He's been in the industry leader for about 20 years now, going in the network marketing business, has achieved 7 figures in multiple companies. He's going to do it again in record time this time. And we're excited to have him with us today from Ohio today. So go ahead.
Thank you. All right, thank you, Nicole. I know you were asking me earlier about the compensation plan.
Yeah.
And we are talking to a lot of industry leaders at this point, because in this industry right now, there are so many of you that, like me, that have been involved in network marketing for a time and have had different levels of success. You'll find that most of the companies that are out there today are the two-legged structures, the binaries. And there's been a lot of success in the binaries. So I don't want to, just poo-poo those too much, because they've had some success. However, my experience is I've been the beneficiary of a binary before, and I've been the victim of a binary before. By that I mean I wasn't positioned properly. And there will never be another binary that I'm involved in that I don't demand that I get the right positioning. But you know what? I don't like demanding anything, and I don't like the spirit that it cultivated within me, wondering what position I'm going to get, who's going to be put below me, and then if I do get separated from my friend, we're going after the same people. So there's always, the binary is divisive. I mean, because it has to be. You got people on this side and people on this side, so I mean, they are divided. So it is going to create a situation where they need, they're competing against each other, and people feel jealous and envious, and there's just a lot of that stuff. And what's so different about Mandura is the fact that that doesn't occur. Everybody who comes into our business is put into a single leg force matrix, and everybody above and everybody below continues to participate in building that power leg. And it's enormous, because there's nobody, you, me, whether I got in a couple weeks before you, and there's nobody that will have bad positioning. Even if we go out a year down the road, you're looking at having 100,000 people, whatever, 200,000 people next year. What's going to happen? Well, if you bring in a new rep, or you happen to be the new guy coming in after there's 100K in the deal, every one of those 100,000 people above you have to put their people below who? You. So all of a sudden, what if 1,000 people come into the deal in that day? They're all going below you. I know I was in the business for 3.5 days before I got 100 people put into my business. Nicole, how many people were in your business in the first day?
I came in about 30 days after you, Patrick, and the first day about 150 people.
In 150 people. I mean, today we've already had 30 or 40 people come into the business. So anybody listening on this call right now, if you decide and you want to learn how this works, take a spot with the person that put you on this video, because if you take a spot, by the time you go to bed, you're going to have a couple dozen people probably below you.
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning you're going to be over 100, and then you have a story. It's always about a story. In network marketing, the hardest thing to do when you're new in this business, not the networkers, but some of the newer people, when they pick up the phone, it's a hard call to make when you say, hey, you could be my first rep, and it's just hard to make that call. But when you have a couple hundred people like you did put in your business in just a short amount of time, you pick up that call. It's an easy phone call to make, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Within several minutes, we had 12 people, and so we were on the phone immediately after that.
Right.
We've had some experience in this game as well. And so, within a couple of, I would say 20 minutes, we had about 8 people in our team, so that we personally invited. So. And
you can get paid on all of that. So I know some of you networkers out there that are looking at this saying, well, yeah, it's great if you get all these people, but can I make money on it? Yes, you can make 20% commission on everything that you have in this business, in that leg. So it is huge. And get with the person that put you on this call where they can explain it to you. You can go to the websites and get with Nicole or myself, and I'm telling you, you guys can definitely make a lot of money in the generational side of this, the unilevel side, and the 20% of the entire company revenue you can participate in gleaning that money. So
we'll be bringing more videos to you from Labor Day weekend here in Arizona. I'm sorry, in Utah. I don't even know where I am right now. In Utah, and thanks a lot.